Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am Lisa, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I am Mike. It is great to see you all. Or, well, hear you all.
Today is a very special episode. We want to talk about something we all try to do, but sometimes we fail. We are talking about living a healthy life.
Oh, that is a big topic, Lisa. Everyone wants to be healthy, right? We want to eat the best food and sleep like a baby.
Exactly. At our podcast, we believe in English made simple. We want to help you learn English while we talk about real life.
Real life is often messy. It's not always perfect.
That is true. I want to start with a very honest picture in your mind. Imagine this. You wake up on a Sunday morning. You feel motivated. You say, "Today is the day. I am going to be the healthiest person in the world."
I know that feeling. You feel like a superhero for about 10 minutes.
Exactly. You go to a fancy farmer's market. Everything is green and beautiful. You see a purple juice that costs $10. You think, "This juice will change my life." You buy it. You buy expensive carrots. You buy kale.
And then?
Then you go home, you take one bite, and you realize it tastes like grass, just plain green grass.
Oh no, the healthy trap. I've been there many times, Lisa.
If this is you, do not go anywhere. You are not alone. You are not broken because you don't like kale. Today, we are going to talk about my farmer's market failure and how we can actually be healthy without losing our minds.
I love this. It is so relatable. So Lisa, tell us the full story. What happened at this market?
Well, Mike, it started last Sunday. I was feeling very tired. I hadn't been sleeping well. I thought, maybe I'm tired because I'm not eating enough superfoods.
Superfoods. That's a funny word. It sounds like the food has a cape and can fly.
Right? It just means food that is very good for you, like blueberries or spinach. So I went to the Sunshine Organic Market.
Organic. That's a word we see everywhere. Can you explain that for our listeners?
Of course, organic means the food is grown naturally. No strong chemicals are used to kill bugs. It is supposed to be better for the earth and our bodies.
But it's also more expensive, right?
Oh, Mike, so much more expensive. I saw these carrots. They were not orange. They were purple and yellow. The sign said Heirloom carrots.
Wait, heirloom? Like an old ring from your grandmother?
Yes, in English, an heirloom is something valuable passed down in a family. For vegetables, it means the seeds are very old and traditional. They are not modified in a lab.
So they're fancy carrots.
Very fancy. They were $6 for a small bag. I thought, Lisa, you deserve these fancy carrots. They will make you healthy.
I can see you standing there, holding your bag of purple carrots, feeling very proud.
I was. I also bought this dark purple juice. The woman at the market told me it had antioxidants.
That is a big B1 word. Antioxidants. What are those?
They are natural things in food that protect our cells from damage. Think of them like a tiny police force inside your body.
I like that. A police force in my juice. So you spent a lot of money.
Mike, I spent $50 for one bag of vegetables and a juice.
$50? Lisa, you could buy a whole dinner for that.
I know. I felt a bit sick when I paid, but I told myself it is an investment in my health.
That's what we always say when we spend too much money, isn't it? It is an investment.
Exactly. So I went home. I was so excited. I decided to make a superfood salad for lunch. I chopped the kale. I sliced my expensive heirloom carrots. I didn't add any dressing because I wanted it to be pure.
Pure. That means clean, with nothing extra added. But Lisa, kale with no dressing. That sounds very dry.
It was like eating a tree, Mike. I took a big bite, I chewed and I chewed. It was so tough. My jaw was getting tired.
I am imagining you chewing like a cow in a field.
That is exactly how I felt. I looked at my beautiful, expensive salad and I hated it. It was bland.
Bland. That's a great word for our listeners. It means food has no taste or flavor. No salt, no spice, nothing.
It was very bland. Then I tried the purple juice. Mike, I am not joking. It tasted like dirt. Cold, liquid dirt.
Oh, Lisa, the dream is dying. What did you do? Did you finish it?
I tried. I really tried. I drank half the juice. I ate some of the carrots, but I was so unhappy. And then something worse happened.
What?
2 hours later, I was hangry.
Ah, hangry. That is one of my favorite English words. It's hangry plus angry.
Yes, I was so hungry that I started feeling angry at everyone. My healthy lunch didn't give me any energy. I was exhausted.
Exhausted means very, very tired, right?
Yes, I felt more tired than before. I wanted to take a nap, but I couldn't sleep because my stomach was growling. It was making so much noise.
This is the problem, Lisa. Sometimes we try to be too healthy. We think we have to eat things we hate to be good.
You are so right, Mike. I felt like a failure. I thought, I can't even eat a salad correctly. I will never be healthy.
But you're not a failure. This happens to everyone. I have a story too. Can I share?
Please do. Make me feel better, Mike.
A few months ago, I decided I needed more protein. Everyone says protein is the key to energy, so I bought this green protein powder.
Was it organic too?
Of course, it was organic, vegan, and very expensive. The guy at the store said it was nutritious.
Nutritious. That means it has a lot of the things your body needs to stay healthy.
Right, so I put it in a blender with water. It turned into this thick green sludge. It looked like water from a pond where frogs live.
Oh no, Mike. Did it taste like a pond too?
It was worse. It was chalky. Do you know that word, chalky?
Like the white sticks teachers use to write on a blackboard?
Yes, it felt like I was drinking ground-up rocks. I forced myself to drink it for 3 days because I didn't want to waste the money.
3 days? You are stronger than me.
On the 4th day, I looked at the green bottle and I actually felt a tiny bit of fear. I said, no, I cannot do this anymore. I threw it away.
I feel so much better now. We both had healthy failures.
We did. But you know, Lisa, there is a connection here between the food and the sleep. You said you weren't sleeping well.
That's right. I was tossing and turning every night.
Tossing and turning, that is a great phrase. It means you are moving around and dead because you cannot fall asleep.
Yes, I would look at the clock at 2 a.m., then 3 a.m. It was stressful. I thought the kale would fix it.
Well, the truth is, if you are hangry or unhappy, you won't sleep well. Your brain is too busy thinking about pizza.
You caught me. I was definitely thinking about pizza.
Sleep is about consistency.
Consistency. That means doing the same thing regularly, right?
Exactly, like our English practice. If you study for 5 minutes every day, that is consistency. For sleep, it means going to bed at the same time.
I tried that, Mike, but then I stay on my phone. I look at social media and suddenly it is midnight.
That is the blue light problem. The light from the phone tells your brain it is daytime. It stops your body from making the sleep hormones.
So, what should I do? If I can't eat grass salads and I can't look at my phone, how do I stay healthy?
It's about balance, Lisa. Instead of $50 carrots, maybe just buy regular carrots and put some nice dressing on them.
Dressing makes everything better.
It does. And for sleep, maybe just put the phone in another room 30 minutes before bed. You don't need a $10 purple juice to be healthy. You just need small, simple habits.
Small, simple habits. I like that. That sounds much easier than my farmer's market disaster.
It is. Healthy living should feel good, not like a punishment.
I think our listeners need to hear that. If you tried to be healthy this week and you failed, it is okay. You are not alone. You are not broken.
Exactly. Just try again tomorrow with something small, maybe a 10-minute walk or one extra glass of water.
Or a carrot that is actually orange and tastes like a carrot.
Yes, orange carrots are great too.
Wow, we have talked a lot today. Mike, let's slow down a little bit. I want to look at some of the words we used today.
Good idea. Let's do the calm word tour.
I will say the word, and Mike, can you give us a simple example sentence?
I am ready.
Okay, word number 1, organic.
Organic. I try to buy organic apples because they don't have chemicals on them.
Great. Number 2, heirloom.
Heirloom. She grew heirloom tomatoes that were bright red and very sweet.
Number 3, bland.
Bland. This soup is a bit bland. I think it needs some salt and pepper.
Number 4, exhausted.
Exhausted. After working for 12 hours, I was completely exhausted.
Number 5, nutritious.
Nutritious. Eggs are very nutritious because they have a lot of protein.
Number 6, toss and turn.
Toss and turn. I had a lot of coffee late at night, so I started to toss and turn in bed.
Number 7, consistency.
Consistency. Consistency is the key to learning a new language.
Number 8, hangry.
Hangry. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so please don't talk to me. I am feeling a bit hangry.
Number 9, cravings.
Cravings. When I am tired, I have strong cravings for chocolate and chips.
And finally, number 10, investment.
Investment. Buying a good bed is an investment in your health.
Thank you, Mike. Those are all such useful words for daily life.
They really are, and I hope our listeners feel more confident using them now.
Me too. Before we go, we have a question for you. We want to hear your stories.
Yes. Have you ever had a healthy failure? Did you buy something expensive that tasted terrible? Or did you try a crazy exercise that was too hard?
Tell us in the comments, are you team salad or team pizza?
I think I am team pizza with a few vegetables on top.
That is a good balance, Mike. Well, thank you for listening today. Remember, being healthy is a journey. It is not about being perfect every day.
You're doing a great job just by listening to this and learning.
We are so proud of you. Learn English one story at a time.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a story.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.